Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Animal Kin Oracle, which is a 65 card deck. Oh my god. And it's from Hay House. You can see it right there. So I have not actually looked at all of these cards. I believe this was one of the decks that I got during my 50 deck haul video. But we haven't seen all the cards yet, so it's gonna be a first impressions too. This is the book. This is a very pretty blue. It's a black and white book. And I'm gonna zoom you in to take a better look at the cards. It is a matte finish. It's like there's like barely any gloss there. It's not as thick of a deck for it to be 65 cards either, so we'll see how the card stock is. Let's get to it. Buffalo Gratitude. I love these watercolor designs, or like the watercolor the watercolor look to them. And from the looks of it, they each have like their own border too. Cow. These are so vibrant. Oh my god, they're sticking together because of that matte finish. You know, typically some people is that an orangutan? Typically some people would trim their decks. But I don't think this is one that you'd want to trim because these borders look very beautiful. And they kind of make the card too. It's a peahen, that's a female. The peacock is the male. Oh, look at this border. This is cool. And it's a hammerhead shark. Sloth. This is pretty, I like this. Oh my god, they're sticking because they're matte. They're not like sticking and damaging each other. They're sticking because they're matte. Oh, that's pretty. I'm a crab because I'm a Cancer. But these cards, they're like very simple, but in a pretty way. Does that make sense? Like there's not a lot there, but there is, but it's still simple. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So far, no one card has had the same border. A parrotfish? What? Never heard of that. And if you guys have been here long enough, you would know that I absolutely love animal decks. I'll probably do a video on all of my animal decks once we get closer to the end of the year, because I'm probably gonna have a lot more decks coming before the end of the year. Ooh, this one's really colorful. Hold on, there's like another card. This is pretty. Cardinal. I don't know, oh my god, this is beautiful. I don't know if my camera's gonna capture the vibrancy, is that a word? The vibrancy of these colors, but guys, these are gorgeous. Oh, look, a little ladybug. Whoa, that's a snake? That is a cool ass snake. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this card, I thought that said potato. Protection. It says protection. Not potato. I ate lunch already, okay? I'm not hungry. This is beautiful. I love these blues here. Butterfly. Can't wait to use these in readings. Like, I would use this deck to see what your animal totem is. What I'm gonna start using this deck for to start off with is for past life readings to verify if you had an animal totem in a past life. Hey, I think this is the... if you had an animal totem in a past life or not. And if you did, then I'll be able to know more information on your past life depending on your animal totem. But that's one way I'm going to use this deck. Aside from other types of readings. Kitty. Wow, they have a phoenix? That's awesome. Hey, a praying mantis. I actually have a scary story about a praying mantis. Well, scary because I was like 7 and it scared the shit out of me, but I'll save that for story time videos. Ooh, unicorns. Are they fighting? They look like they're fighting. That or just embracing horns. Maybe. So pretty. This is a beautiful deck. Here, let me zoom you out. Ooh, wrong way. There we go. This is a gorgeous deck, like I said before. It's your typical oracle size too. This is like my hand. I don't have big hands. Oh my god, these backings are so vibrant. So it's kind of difficult to grab it this way, at least for me. But good overhand shuffle, you know? And then let's try the full shuffle. I don't think you can read reversibles. Oh yeah, that was good. Here, let me check the book though. I mean, I don't care if they're like, if I shuffle and there's reversibles in there, but let's see if the book has a reversible. I don't think they do. It just says the name, I'm guessing element? Yeah. Name, element, picture, a little key phrase down there, and then just information on the animal. So there's no reversible meanings in the book, but that's not to say that you can't provide a reversible meaning. You know, to each their own on how you wish to use your decks, whether or not the author or creator provides reversible meanings in their own way. But yeah. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and if any of you guys have this deck, let me know what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you love the vibrant colors? Do you love animal decks just like me? Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!